Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 4. Give 25 sentences for practice like. Example. Student A, what is your favorite food? Student B, my favorite food is biryani. Answer. Here are 25 practice sentences in a similar question and answer format to help students practice English conversation. Student A, where do you live? Student B, I live in Jugsulay. Student A, what is your favorite color? Student B, my favorite color is blue. Student A, which sport do you like the most? Student B, I like playing cricket the most. Student A, what is your hobby? Student B, my hobby is painting. Student A, what do you do in your free time? Student B, I read books in my free time. Student A, what is your favorite fruit? Student B, my favorite fruit is mango. Student A, who is your best? Student B, my best friend is Abdullah. Student A, what is your father's profession? Student B, my father is a businessman. Student A, what is your favorite subject? Student B, my favorite subject is science. Student A, which language are you learning? Student B, I am learning English. Student A, where is your school located? Student B, my school is located near the park. Student A, what is your favorite animal? Student B, my favorite animal is a lion. Student A, do you like watching movies? Student B, no, I don't like watching movies. Student A, what is your favorite vegetable? Student B, my favorite vegetable is pumpkin. Student A, what is your favorite season? Student B, my favorite season is winter. Student A, what time do you wake up? Student B, I wake up at 6 a.m. Student A, what do you eat for breakfast? Student B, I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. Student A, do you like traveling? Student B, yes, I love traveling. Student A, what is your dream job? Student B, my dream job is to be a teacher. Student A, what is your favorite festival? Student B, my favorite festival is Eid. Student A, how many siblings do you have? Student B, I have 2 siblings. Student A, what do you usually do on Sundays? Student B, I usually relax and watch TV on Sundays. Student A, do you enjoy cooking? Student B, yes, I enjoy cooking. Student A, what is your favorite dish to cook? Student B, my favorite dish to cook is pasta. Student A, do you like listening to music? Student B, no, I don't like listening to music. Activity suggestion. Pair up students and let them practice these dialogues, encouraging them to create their own variations. This will enhance fluency and confidence. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.